बट वंती कोई डेथ कोई प्रिवेंट नहीं वेती, बस थोड़ा ज़रा ऑक्सीजन रिक्वायरमेंट कम करे, स्टीरॉयड है ऑक्सीजन रिक्वायरमेंट कम करे, फ्रेविपार है ऑक्सीजन रिक्वायरमेंट करे, टोलिसिजिमैब हैदराबाद में अवेलेबल नहीं है, शॉर्टेज है, वही थोड़ा ऑक्सीजन रिक्वायरमेंट कम करे। ये एक ही दवाई नहीं है इस लिस्ट में, एक ही दवा है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ए थोड़ू आपने जल्दी घरे मेलवारी कोशिश करवारी दवा है। सो अनमें मेन आप रेस्ट लेनो, ऑक्सीजन थेरेपी लेनी ने आपनो बीजो रे स्प्रेड नहीं करे, जेकन हमारे तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं बेतु हो। और एक लास्ट स्लाइड है, बताओ आपने मोस्ट आई थिंक वो एक क्वेश्चन ले कोई करने के नो है तो पासों पे बात करे सुभाष, somebody has questions.
So रसिका संघवी आप अनम्यूट भेजियो। ओके रसिका संघवी आप ऑडियो कनेक्टेड नहीं है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम just 1 second from Pramod Kaka Adoni. Does everyone get symptoms?
see वो आप ध्यान रखियो कि अने सिम्टम्स में का घणो जण थाय पर एक बार बुखार आयो ने थोड़ी खोसी हुई एक दारा हवाला बुखार आयो जियो ने हॉस्का पास बुखार आयो तो वी थिंक इज कोई नहीं है बट दिस इज आल्सो अ सिम्टम कणरे का वो बॉडी एक्स आया बस सिवियर बॉडी एक्स आया खूब मायालजी आया आको बॉडी तनाई रही है दैट इज आल्सो अ सिम्टम घना जना काम जे रही है कि भाई अनी सिम्टम वो कोरोना रो नहीं है कोरोना रो सिम्टम खांसी आवनी ने दम सोनो वही समझे बट देयर आर अदर सिम्टम्स आल्सो लाइक कोरोना कोनोरे घर में खावारी चीज रे वास हुंग वारो जाए पु दैट इज आल्सो सिम्टम ऑफ कोरोना सो मोस्ट ऑफ द पेशेंट गेट सम सिम्टम ये सिम्टोमेटिक कम है माना खूब कम है और 1 to 5 days जो है वन में ये सिम्टोमेटिक वीक है मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल विल गेट सम सिम्टम्स
one more question, this is from Dinesh ji. Precautions to be taken when traveling to other states by train or air?
I will not suggest, trains will not start till August. No train, no air, no travel. Strongly recommended.
And
I don't think anybody has emergency to go by train. तो ट्रेन में जानो वना करती कार में थोड़ी ओन कार में भेजना जाए ना आओ पा.
Okay. Seema, you said please repeat first point again. In what context and which point? Seema, unmute when. Seema. Okay. Next question is from Maya. Should we take vitamin C tablet?
There is no definite role. जनरे vitamin C ले तो कोई फायदा होवे कटे नहीं बतावियो घना जना ले रियो but it is not recommended. कोरोना आया पुटी vitamin C दिए आवाती लेवाती कोई फायदा भी अजे तो कोई evidence नहीं है.
One more question, I don't have the name, it just says from iPad. Precautions for small babies. Can others touch after work with sanitization?
Yeah, you can touch. If you are corona positive, don't touch.
I have a question. Phone mata.
Sir, thrombolysis and I don't know. See, just thrombolysis. How to thrombolysis ending? Okay. Thrombolysis save है अब how can you say no? Beds available देखला. ये ICC beds है यार. ये हाँ कोविड ICC है तो ER लो लेदा. ఇప్పుడు ఏం ఎక్స్‌రే లో గ్రౌండ్ గ్లాస్ ఉందా?
VO2 कम करना.
సరే పంపించండి. చెప్పు లేదని బెడ్స్ లేదు. సారీ.
Okay, so a lot of people, others have asked questions, so I'll park my question. I'll ask that later. Next question was from Mr. Vishal Bhandari. How to test the immunity? Any test is there?
Unfortunately, no test.
No testing.
हमारा बोलो तो हेलो
How about taking Supradine Tab OD? Will it serve any purpose?
No use. Social distancing, mask sanitization is more useful than Supradine. Don't waste money on Supradine.
Once a person is infected, is it true that the person can't be infected again? In antibodies and all those things. Any theory or
Yeah,
evidence?
once is see any patients with COVID positive will once he's admitted to hospital will test the positive. If he's at home also, after 14 days we repeat the test. Most of the people they become negative by 14 days, and once he becomes negative, he's no more infected. And some people they have a delayed clearance of virus. They can go up to 21 days. 21 days they become uninfected, and we test the positive. Sometimes we repeat the sample at 21 days, and once they're negative, then only we tell them to mix with the public.
Okay. Seema's question was relating using mask even at home. Seema, I guess mask not at home, mask whenever you are in outside or contact.
Public places and overcrowded places, not at home, not necessary.
Post discharge, what precautions should be taken?
Post discharge, avoid contact with others. Don't exert yourself. Improve your immunity. Have a good food.
Nirmal Kuwat is asking, any package in KIMS and can we pre-book?
It's already there. No, I've shown you the picture.
Okay. So
there,
I think
the number
a lot
is
of
there.
people want these slides. Is it possible for you to share the slides so that we can send it to them?
So they contains heavy audio, so I don't know. So this is a package KIMS. The number is there. So any package they can take.
Okay.
This just if they have, this is for people who are already COVID, so they will give home on